Hi, my name is Razvan Savu. I'm a dentist. I manage a clinic which is called Medical Group Company. We have like 43 employees. We start in 2004 to do dental tourism, and I think we pretty much are successful in this business. I'm working in UK as well. I'm going for 4 or 5 days per month, and this is a very important thing for our business, because I can offer the follow-up for the patients who are coming from abroad. Well, there are 14 long years since we start. The things change. The things change because dentistry, instead of being analog, is more and more digital. And this is also a very big advantage for the patients. This is a very big advantage for the doctors as well, because you can do treatments that 14 years ago you used to do in 2 weeks. You can do them now in 2 hours. For instance, a crown. If you take a crown, you prep a crown and you can do it in 2 hours with all the facilities that we have in the clinic. We used to take an impression, send it to the lab and wait for up to 10, 14 days to have this crown down. That, of course, 14 years ago for the dental tourism was a disadvantage. Now, with the dental technology, with the digital technology that we have those days, everything is changed. So we can do things that we used to do for so long, we can do them really, really fast. And this is a big advantage for the patients. Patients who are traveling abroad, they don't have time, they have a work that they have to go back to. And I think this is a big change. This is what we live those days. When you go abroad, you don't know exactly where you go. You need to check on the clinic that you're going to have the teeth done, yeah? In that moment, all you have to do is to see some reviews, to see other patients, how they went through those treatments. But what is also very, very important is that to see if this clinic can offer you the follow-up. Follow-up is something very, very important in dental tourism. Dental treatments are not just fit and forget things. Dental treatments means a lot of follow-up. Once you don't have the follow-up, you can have a lot of problems and there's no one else to fix them. So either you are coming from a city where you can travel very, very, very easy to our facilities, or you find in your city somebody to offer you the follow-up. Our clinic have a lot of collaborations with clinics from abroad, in UK, in France, and we offer this follow-up for our patients. And I think this is very, very important. It's well known that East Europe has lower prices than West Europe. And this is because of the salaries, this is because of taxations. And also, of course, rents and other things. The fact that we offer lower prices doesn't mean that we offer lower quality. We offer the same quality like in West Europe, but in shorter time. And what I think that is very, very important is that in our clinic, the people are speaking foreign languages. So we have employees which are dedicated to our dental tourism patients, and they are speaking 5 different languages. We have a driver who's picking up the patients from the airport. We have customer care, which is all the time in contact with the patients while they are in the country. We have a call center which establish contacts from the very first moment when the patients go into our website in contact with us. And of course, we have professional and dedicated dentists which are offering very, very good treatments and, like I said, at a very good price as well. Well, most of the patients are coming here for full mouth restorations. That means we have 2 categories. That means either they come with all the teeth but they want aesthetics, so they want veneers and crowns, or they coming without teeth and they need implants and some restorative work on top of the implants. And those can be crowns, those can be bridges, those can be removable dentures. However, every patient that is coming here doesn't leave us without something temporary, at least, so he can go back to his social life. Now when we're talking about those two categories, we can talk about time. When it's coming to aesthetics and veneers, you can have this done in up to 7 or 10 days, and this is just one session. When you're talking about full mouth restoration with implants, the patients have to travel 2 times or sometimes 3 times to Romania. They come in first time, they have the implants done, they go back with a temporary, they have to wait for the integration time, and they come back and they have the restorative work. Also, the restorative work can take 1 session or 2 sessions, depends on the needs. Another thing that is very, very important is the fact that through the investments that we've done in the very last years, we are able to offer to our patients a lot of predictability. What means that? It means that the patients are coming in Romania, we do a design, and we are able to show them how their smile is going to look like without touching their teeth. And this is very, very important because they will decide in that moment if they want to go ahead with the treatments or not. Also, for us, this is like a template. This is like we see exactly what the patients like, how the smile looks like, and we do exactly what the patients like. And this is very, very important for the patients to have as a final restoration exactly what they saw at the beginning of the treatments. I think this is a big advantage that we have, and because of the evolution of technology, because of digital era of dentistry, we can do that those days. And we have this technology in Romania, and we are really happy to work with. Well, depends on the dental implant procedure. Most of the time, we are successful. But of course, sometimes one implant can fail or one crown can fall down. Obviously, those things are happening because there's no 100% success in any business in this world. In that moment, what we do, we just redo the crown or re-put the implant. What we have to do, and we do it, is to do it for free for the patient who had this done before. We offer this warranty, which is very, very important. In the same time, depends on what exactly we need to fix. Because we have the collaborations abroad with those clinics, we can fix either there or travel the patients back home in Romania and do it in Romania. However, we never let our patients down. So all the time we fix the problems that appear. Yes, I have. I'm pretty sure that the first condition that patients will take in consideration will be the price. But they have to take in consideration also other things. The first one, like I said, should be the follow-up, because it's very, very important when they go back home to their own country to know exactly what they're going to do if they have problems. And the follow-up is very, very important. The second thing is to have a point of view very, very objective. If you want to search for a clinic which is offering proper treatments and good quality treatments, you should try to find a third party to let you know about that. And like this facility that you offer, dental tourism, this platform, dental tourism in Romania, I think this is a very, very good idea. And I think I would recommend to anyone, before they're traveling abroad, to search on this platform to see exactly reviews, to see exactly interviews, to see exactly pictures, to take all the information that they need before they just decide to travel abroad. That's my idea.